Nazywam się Szymon Pajdosz.
My name is Szymon Pajdosz, and I've been working in the heavy industry sector for 12 years. I'm a sales manager at Buchen and responsible for project sales and implementation, beginning with the preparation of appropriate personal protective equipment for the employees carrying out the work.
Dla pracowników, którzy będą wykonywali zadania. Usługi, które oferujemy naszym klientom.
The services we offer include high-pressure industrial cleaning, vacuum loading of waste, sludge dewatering and loading, replacement of catalytic converters, corrosion protection and waste disposal.
Główne zagrożenie.
The main hazards that we are exposed to are dust and gases. These include ammonia, hydrogen sulfide and sulfur.
W naszej firmie
We mainly use the X-plore 8700 because we work in potentially explosive atmospheres. Buchen currently operates 20 X-plore 8700 blower units.
ponieważ nasi pracownicy
Our employees feel much more comfortable with them,
dużo łatwiej im się.
and they make their work easier.
Oprócz wygody przede wszystkim
Apart from comfort, this system offers much better protection for our staff.
z Explorem
We're planning to increase the number of X-plore 8000s in our inventory to further improve the comfort of our personnel.
pracowników. Szczególnie cenię w Explorze 8
I really appreciate the X-plore 8700's robust design and functionality.
tysięcy jest bardzo
It's very intuitive to use.
trzy elementy.
There are only 3 components that need to be connected, and you're ready to go.
Dodatkowo
As the device offers blower support, those with beards can also work well protected.
spokojnie z nim pracować. Przy wyborze, który dokonaliśmy przy
A key factor in choosing the Dräger X-plore 8700 was the ability to change the filter quickly and easily, without having to disassemble the unit.
ściągając całego urządzenia. Bardzo ważny
What we also find helpful are the 3 fan speeds,
czujnik
the filter saturation indicator,
oraz bateria.
and the battery, which we can remove at any time to check the charge.
Baterii. W jakim stopniu jest
Another benefit of the X-plore 8700 is the self-test function, which automatically checks that the blower unit is connected correctly and whether the filter has been inserted properly. We mainly use a helmet with a visor for the X-plore 8700 because it offers the highest level of comfort. It is well balanced, offers a wide field of vision, and is quickly adjustable.